If your child is facing a college sexual misconduct investigation in Nevada, you need to take the necessary precautions before anything takes place with respect to the school or otherwise. So much is at stake. Being accused of sexual misconduct is incredibly serious regardless of the circumstances. Unfortunately, Nevada colleges and universities, they're often in a rush to judgment. They're often in a rush to invite a meeting or interview with the school, not being cognizant of an accused student's rights and interests. Because so much is at stake, you need to take the necessary precautions before these meetings take place. Every step of a college sexual misconduct case is incredibly critical, but the early stages are especially critical because they'll set the stage for later aspects of the case. It's best to be incredibly familiar with the school's process as to how the case will be addressed and adjudicated. It's also best to get as much information regarding the allegations as possible and also why these allegations may be being made. There's other considerations that would have to be kept in mind regarding the allegations. It's also important to prepare to respond accordingly to the school at the given time, but that should not take place until it's appropriate to the circumstances. An experienced attorney advisor would be able to help you navigate the process, understand the process, would be able to let you know when such a meeting should take place and what would need to take place at such a meeting. They'll also be able to let you know what's appropriate to the circumstances, what should be taking place, what should not be taking place. They'll also be able to work towards trying to ensure a fair process and a favorable outcome. If your son or daughter is facing a college sexual misconduct investigation at his or her school in Nevada, have an experienced attorney ally in his or her corner from as early as possible in the process.